So hello, I'm going to talk about a famous earthquake that was in Haiti. But first of all, I'm going to talk to you about how an earthquake is produced. Under the crash of the earth, there are tectonic plates that when they crash, they form an earthquake. And if they crash violently, often the earthquake is bigger and it produces more damage to the village or to the cities or things like that. This earthquake happens in the 12th of January in 2010. It was so recently. 316,000 people died and 350,000 people were hurt. The epicenter of this earthquake was 15 kilometers near the capital of Haiti, that is Puerto Príncipe. And many people haven't got their houses because the earthquake destroyed the houses. And I think that this natural disaster was terrible because in Haiti, many countries helped Haiti to get up because the city was destroyed.
Yeah, absolutely destroyed. Yeah.
So have you got any question?
You don't remember this disaster, do you? You actually know. Okay, thank you.
Well, I'm going to talk to you about a 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake that occurred on the 26th of December. And it has an epicenter to the west coast of Sumatra in Indonesia. And it has a moment magnitude of between 9.1 and 9.3. Amazing. And it also involved several tsunamis, a series of tsunamis that reached waves up to 30 meters. It caused 230,000 dead people in 14 different countries. And it also, the tsunami, it's called by different names, such as Indonesian tsunami, South Asian tsunami, Christmas tsunami, and Boxing Day tsunami, because it's occurring the 26th of December. And after that natural disaster, some film producers produced a film called The Impossible that was based on the life of Maria Bennett and her family when they were living in an island that was affected by the tsunami.
And you see the film?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
And even more when you know that it is based on truth. I mean, it's real facts. Any questions about that terrible natural disaster? No? Okay, thank you, Maria.
I'm going to talk about the earthquake in Lorca. It happened on the 11th of March of 2011. And its magnitude was 5.1 in the scale, which compared to other major disasters, it feels like nothing, but it's one of the biggest ones we've had in Spain.
Yeah,
there were not too many deaths, only 9, but 403 people were injured, and there were a lot of material damage. A lot of buildings were falling down, and that's what was hurting people the most, the buildings falling down. And even though it wasn't like the biggest earthquake ever, you could feel it in more parts of Spain, like in Madrid, in some areas, and in the south of Spain. And the Spanish armed forces had to help in the affected place because it was pretty bad.
Yeah. Do you remember that one? Yeah. Okay. So have you got any questions? Great.